How to Send Snaps Without Camera Capture on Snapchat, Step by Step, 2025. Have you ever wanted to send a snap on Snapchat without actually capturing it from the camera? Maybe you already have a photo in your gallery and you want to send it as a snap. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method to send snaps without using the camera in 2025. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also explain what works and what does not work anymore. Step 1. Open Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version. Now you'll be on the camera screen. Step 2. Access Memories. From the camera screen, swipe up. This will open Snapchat Memories. Here you'll see Snaps, Camera Roll, Saved Content. Now tap on Camera Roll. Step 3. Select your photo. Choose the photo or video that you want to send. After selecting it, tap on Send To. Now select the friend you want to send it to. Then tap Send. Important reality check. Very important section. Now listen carefully. Snapchat does not allow you to send gallery photos as a real live snap without showing that it's from Camera Roll. There is no official way to completely remove that label. If someone tells you to download third-party apps to fake snaps, don't do it. Your account can get banned permanently. Alternative method, safe way. If you really want it to look like a live snap, you can. Open the photo on another phone, then capture it using Snapchat Camera. This is the only safe method that works. But remember, misleading people can damage trust. Outro. That's how you can send snaps without capturing from the camera in 2025. If this video helped you, like this video. If this is relevant, subscribe to How to Mastery for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.